Jacob, Living Waters Landscaping. We're here starting this new job. Pretty nice view back there. This is gonna be about a 10 by 20 dry laid flagstone patio and 30-foot pondless waterfall. Check it out. Again, awesome view. Always nice to have this as my office. Got to get these machines back through here. Yeah, that'll be sketchy. Don't hit the house, don't hit the wall. I think we got it. Anyway, patio going down here. Nice custom cut patio. Waterfall is gonna be running down right there at the end, up at the patio. Lights, planting, the whole deal. All right, let's find out. See if we fit. All right, patio prep is done, excavation at least. Bringing our stone in, pretty nice stone. That was pretty tight getting around that corner there, but we made it. Got our base prep done. Got some larger stones down here to start with. We're just getting our 3/8 screed level on. Got our 3/4 level packed. Got our string line set up. We are ready to roll. Alright, getting the first stone set, ready to cut in. Pretty looking stone. That's gonna be nice. Alright. Tighter access, and it's muddy, but it's happening. We got dumped on last night. Tried to cut a drainage ditch in kind of roughly before the rain. Obviously that didn't work. So, moving along though, almost done. We got a couple big slabs to set and wrapping it up, more than halfway done. Pretend that you're working so I can take a video. Anyway, setting a pretty nice chunk of slab here, looking good. Getting towards the end here, making it happen. You're not pretending like you're working, what are you doing? All right, we're having a little bit of mud issues here. Couldn't get that skid steer up the hill because it's too muddy, so we're shuffling machines and trying to set one of the bigger rocks on the pallets. It's a beast and it's muddy, but it's looking sweet. I'm almost there. Put that big guy right there, a couple more. It looks good. Looks good, Chewy. All right, last piece going in. We are ready. Coming out good. Still muddy, dang it. All right, we got the patio wrapped up. Just about to do some sweeping in. We usually do a little mix of screened 3/8 pea gravel and some stone dust. Pack that in there and it always works out good. Check it out. We are ready to start sweeping and it's looking pretty dang good. Coming out here, waterfall is going to end right about there, so should be pretty nice. Stay tuned.